Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a quick and easy project for you. It's usually card day, but sometimes I sneak in a little quick and easy. So I thought with school starting, and I did a project on Sunday for like teacher as well, but I thought because school will be starting pretty quick, I thought if we had some cute little treat boxes for our teachers, it would be super nice to just bring a little something encouraging to start the year off. So this says you're the best ever, and I love this stamp set. It's just so darn cute. I don't know if I'm going to color the bird the same way. Yeah, I think I probably will, but it's just such a cute stamp set. It's called Bird's Eye View. It's this one right here, and you can put the glasses on any of these. You can put it on this one or that one, even this one right here. And it's just, there's different glasses you can put on it. There's branches and leaves, and then the little books are so cute, so I thought I'd use the little books. I'm using the Very Best Occasions for You're the Best Ever, and I am using the Brights collection for the Designer Series paper, and the Nested Essentials, I'm using this one here for behind him, but you can cut a piece if you don't have that. I already cut it, the one that I'm going to use, and I'll tell you the size of that. It is 1 3/4 by 2.5. So if you just want to cut a piece, you can cut a piece like that. But this is a pretty easy box to make, and I did it a lot different than I would normally do it, and it's a lot easier. So this, I'm going to show you the quickest way and the best way to do this. And when I figured it out, I was like, yes, this is much easier than the way I used to do it. So it's really cute. It's just like that. You can fit all kinds of treats in it if you want. You can even put Post-it notes in here. Anything like that a teacher would like. So let's go ahead and get started with this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share. And thank you everyone who has been sharing. I so appreciate it. So thank you so much for that. All right, to make this, I am using Azure Afternoon. This is a new color we have. It is 9 by 6. The Designer Series paper, like I said, is the Brights family, and this piece is 3 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then this piece for the sentiment is 3/4 inch. I'm going to end up cutting it, and then this is the piece that we're going to use behind. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp first, like I usually do. So I'm using my blends, so we're going to use Memento Black. You can color these with your watercolor, with the blends, whatever you like to do. I just love the blends, so that's what I'm going to do. And then we're going to put his little glasses on him because, oh, he looks so cute with these glasses. So we're going to put those on him right there. And then I'm going to stamp also the books. You do have to fussy cut this, but you can, if you have a brother scan and cut, you can use that, but I'm not making a bunch because my grandkids, I think, are older, and I only have one in school right now. So, and he's in high school, so he's not going to want to take anything to his teachers. But, yeah, so this is what I'm going to use for this. I'm using Lemon Lime Twist, Azure Afternoon, Pumpkin Pie, and this is Fresh Freesia, I believe. Yeah, Fresh Freesia, and then the Pecan Pie. So let's go ahead and color him. I think I might do his little face lighter. I might going to use Crumb Cake instead of the yellow this time. I'm just gonna, I need to use the other side. So I'm just going to do a little bit of shading, but some mostly basic coloring for this. Let me scoot this mat out of the way and let me zoom in for you, because I know some of you like to watch it. If you don't like to watch it, you can skip through this part. So let's bring it in a little. All right. You know me, I'm always forgetting to bring you back out So I always hesitate to do that. So I think I'm going to highlight it a little bit with the light pecan pie. So we'll just we're just going to do him a little bit different. You can color him however you like. All right, and then we'll blend it back in with the crumb cake. I really like the brush side better. Some people like the bullet end better, but I like to have the brush brush side better. All right, so let's do something a little bit different here. Let's use this on his belly, and then we'll do blue wings for him. And then that's the light, and I'm going to use the dark. I'm going to go over these little, and then I'm going to just do that. And then let's use the Azure Afternoon for his wings. I don't know what I used the fresh freesia. Oh, I used those on the book, on the book. I was like, what did I use the fresh freesia on? I did this a couple days ago, so. All right. Then we're going to use the dark and just highlight those a little bit. I'm just going to put some little dots on here for his little wings, and then we'll just blend that a little bit. They're so cute, these birds. I just love them. They're so adorable. All right, and then I'm going to use the pumpkin pie for his little beak right here. Oh, he's cute. I like him. I may like him better than my first one. I think I do. All right, so we're going to color the books, and I'm going to do the fresh freesia. I'm doing that one. Is this the dark? Yeah. I'm using the dark first on this one. So and then we are going to, let me do this part. And then we're going to do the light. All right, and then the next one I used the light pecan pie for the book pages, and so I just went over these like that. And then I did one Azure Afternoon, which is this science. This is the light. And then we'll just blend some of the dark in there. And then blend that back out. All right, and then we're just going to do the lemon lolly for the last one. And this one is the light. And just do some dark here. All right, then I just took a fine tip marker. This is from the Paper Studio. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, but I'll link one in the description if you want one like this. It's really nice point. And this, I'm just going to write on these English, science, and math. Isn't that cute? These are so, so cute. All right, so I am going to go ahead and zoom you guys back out. And I'm going to fussy cut this, and I'll speed through this part. Okay, y'all, here are both done. By the way, the fuzzy cutting on these are super easy. All right, so let's get the box and let's go ahead and score and get this box all ready to make. Okay, we are going to score on the 9-inch side at 4 and 5. And then you're going to turn it on the short side, which is the 6-inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/2, 1.5, 4.5, and 5.5. That is it. You can use these boxes for anything, by the way. You can use these for birthdays or any occasion. Okay, so I forgot to score one part, so let's go ahead and do that because it's important. So what you're going to do here, I forgot, you need to score at 7 inches, but you're only going to score to the first score mark. So do it there, and then just flip it over and do it at the 7-inch here on this other part. So it's only going to be up to the score mark on both sides. That's what makes this box so easy to do, and I almost forgot that part. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut down that score mark there, and then down here. And then you're going to do the same on this side. And you're going to cut down these here. On the center one, you're going to cut that 1/2 inch off. And then you're going to do the same on this side. And then you're going to cut that 1/2 inch on that side as well. And now I really need to grab my larger scissors because I cut straighter with these. Now you're going to cut this whole section off here. So you're just going to cut straight down. And then this one too. You can do this on your trimmer, by the way. And that's what it's going to look like. All right, and then these you're going to sharpen. This goes together so much easier than the way I used to do it. All right, and now I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus, and we're going to put it on this glue tab right there, and on this one here. All right, then you're going to just fold those in. You're going to bring this up, line this up to the bottom there, and then just line this one up like that. Look how easy that goes together. Isn't that nice? Really quick and easy. All right, I am going to use our 3/4 inch circle punch, which we don't have anymore, but so I'm going to punch a hole here, and I'm just going to look on both sides and make sure it's pretty even. I'm going to cut that. And I am going to grab my pen or pencil. I got a pen right here. And you're just going to mark that and then punch that. These are really easy. All right, so let's mat it. You can use the little hearts. The little hearts are so cute too. Oh, y'all, I forgot to mat it first before I punched my hole. I'm only doing the front. I'm not matting the back, but you can do the back as well. So let me go ahead and punch that now. All right. Easy peasy. And then we're going to place this down here. I knew I'd forget to mat it because originally I didn't put a mat on it and then I changed my mind later. And then let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment before. It just says, "You're the best ever." You can put whatever sentiment you like on it. I'm going to trim that a little bit there. I'm going to place this actually underneath here, but I'm going to put a little bit of seal on here, and I'm going to slide that underneath here. And I'm going to cut a little bit off the end because I don't want it sticking out too far. You can flag this too. It'd be cute if it was flagged. All right, let's grab our bird here and let's put our books on first. And then I'm going to pop up our little bird. I really do like this bird better than my original color. All right, and then we're going to set him up on the book just like that. I'm going to grab some ribbon, which is my favorite ribbon right now. It's the sheer ribbon combo pack. It comes in all 3 of those colors, but I'm going to use the Azure Afternoon. And we're going to tie a bow. I'm not going to tie a bow, I'm actually just tying like a knot. And we're going to cut that with my ribbon scissors. Don't forget to fill it before you add your ribbon. And then that is it. Isn't it cute? Isn't he cute? Look at, here's the other one. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this. If you need any product, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Our holiday catalog is coming out. For those of you who are my original customers and who have ordered within the last 6 months, you will be getting a catalog delivered to your door. And if you are not and you would like a holiday catalog, you can go to my blog and there's a catalog request form there. Up at the top you'll see request catalog, and just fill that out and I'll be happy to send you one. I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you all for coming by and watching. Have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.